Hello and welcome back to Irish Chippy channel. My name is Pascal. When my wife finished driving yesterday, she got a warning in her Ford to say that the battery on her fob is gone low. So I'm going to change the battery. So this is the one I'm talking about. This is from 2017 onwards. You need to buy CR2450. You should have them on standby anyway, but we have two fobs with them. We have two keys with them. So what we do is we turn it over this way, and here on this side where the buttons are, we press in here with your thumb and you take this out. And then we'll turn it over the other way with the Ford sticking up, and we put the key in here like this, and the cover opens off it. And then you will need a small screwdriver or something like that in there and take out the battery. And then we will take our new battery, this is a Panasonic one, and we will put it inside in the same way, like that. Then we will put the cover on, put the notch up here, like that, and then press down, and we are done. So thank you very much for watching that short video, and if you like this video or any of our other videos, please subscribe.